At Eco Air Pros, we take pride in ensuring your home remains comfortable and efficient year-round. Recently, we had the pleasure of serving a charming 1923 residence in the heart of Jefferson Park, Chicago. Our seasoned technician delivered a comprehensive seasonal maintenance package to keep this historic home cozy and energy efficient. We focused on the homeowner's Rheem high-efficiency furnace and central air conditioning system, performing a precision tune-up that leaves no stone unturned. Our service included an outdoor condenser coil cleaning, proactive refrigerant pressure checks, electrical safety testing, and a meticulous 21-point furnace inspection. Now, the entire heating and cooling system is pristine, safe, and running at peak performance. If you're ready to elevate the comfort of your own home, don't wait. Reach out to Eco Air Pros at 2303 North 77th Court. Your comfort is our mission. Call us today.